Hey, thankful Thursday. I just wanted to show some of the products I got with my monthly order. People can choose what to put in their monthly order with Young Living and change it every month. Sometimes order a few things, sometimes order a lot of things. So there's flexibility. But I just want to show you some things. And then I want to show you a quick little trick, a little tip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You always get like a newsletter with some cool information. Okay. I ordered some mouthwash. So I just want to show you, here's my little tip or trick. Or maybe it's called a hack, a way to save money. So on the mouthwash, you'll see, oops, right there, that little circle. You can take a toothpick and put a hole in it, and then it pours slowly. The same with the household cleaner. It has the same, you just take your toothpick, oops, put a hole in it, and then it pours a little bit slowly. Okay, I'll just tell you that I never knew why that little thing was on the top for many, many, many years. I'm like, oh, that's cool. So the other little, the other hack, the other idea for the mouthwash, some people use it straight, which you can, but I'm okay with not using it straight. So I pour out about 2/3 of the bottle in another glass container. So, sorry, I'm opposite video, so it's very strange. I pour out about 2/3 in another container, and then I fill this up with distilled water with 1/3. I do that with the hand soap. Of course, the thieves cleaner is already, you only use like a half of a cap full or a full cap full with 16 ounces of water. So that's already set up for that. But you can make that stretch longer, get your money's worth by only leaving about 1/3 in the bottle and add the rest 2/3 with distilled water. So those are my hacks or tips and tricks. But since I got this in my monthly order, I'll just show you what else I got. So I actually got 2 of these. I use a lot of different supplements, and I use them on different days of the week. So this is, oh my goodness, malte greens. If you don't always eat all your vegetables or enough in a day, this is a great way to add greens to your diet. And that, any Young Living supplement has essential oils in it. So whatever they have put in the supplement, it's more what's called bioavailable. So what does that mean? Some supplements you take it, and then most goes out when you go to the bathroom, right? But with Young Living, because they're mixing with essential oils that gets into each cell, more of the good stuff stays in your body and can be used. That's for any Young Living supplement. So that's Malte Greens. You probably have heard using olive oil is good for your body. The Mediterranean diet is very popular. It uses olive oil. It's like a healthy fat, good for heart health. So again, if sometimes you can't get enough in your diet, I don't take this every day, just every maybe few days. It's called Olive Essentials. So good for total body wellness. So what else? Oh, oops. My goodness. When I turn my camera so that you can see the words, it's hard for me to show it. But this is my favorite essential oil for sleeping. This is just a roll-on. I put it on the bottom of my feet and particularly on the bottom of my big toe. It helps your brain to stop like thinking so you can't fall asleep. You put it there, that relates to the brain, and it helps just calm down all those thoughts going on, and it's really helpful for my sleep. So that's my favorite Rudabella. It smells kind of like the earth. I love it. If you ever want to try something or you have more questions, let me know. What else? Oh, I'll save that for now. So these and these, the things come in are great. If you have a dog, you can give them to them. That's a free toy. Love them. It's called Good Recycling. Okay, I did buy a lot of supplements I was out of. This is just, oops. This is Young Living's version of fish oil. Again, it has omega-3 and vitamin D3, CoQ10, really good for your body, your heart. And again, with the essential oils, more of that will go into your body and stay. And this is just another, oops. And Life 9 is a probiotic. If you know about health and if you are reading anything, a lot begins with our gut. If your gut's not healthy, your whole body is not healthy. So I do take that probiotic every night. Some of the others I just take a few times a week. So, but that's really helpful. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Okay. Then if you order a lot of things, depending on the amount of money that you have spent to order for your monthly order, just different levels. If you spend, then Young Living sends you specific free essential oils. So this month I got free, oops, I'll figure it out. sorry, Manuka essential oil, good for your skin, your face. You can add it to your lotion. Okay, so I will admit, even though I've been using essential oils for several years, I don't know what this essential oil is for. So if anybody knows, tell me in the comments. I have to do my own research now for this one. Mastronate. I'm not even sure how to pronounce it. Cindy, if you're still watching, okay, or Grace, this one, what's it for? I see some people, I see Grace says skin. Okay, so maybe the gifts for this month that were free, depending on how much you ordered, were related to skin. Why? Because during the winter, our skin gets really dry. And so I think that's right, this month they decided to give free essential oils related to skin. Every month it's a different theme of things that you can get. And if you see something you want, then you spend a little more, you get those free things too. So I guess, yeah, everything else is kind of related to skin a little bit. So there's, oops, my goodness. There's tea tree, you probably heard of that. That I use on my feet for me personally, because if my feet are in boots, if I'm out and about, sometimes I need the skin on my feet to become a little bit more healthy. So I use tea tree. If I have a little acne, like a little pimple that shows up, I may use tea tree just to dry it out quick. But healthy feet, skin, I use tea tree. It also I kind of like the smell, so I can use it other ways. And then they gave me, I think they gave me, or I ordered, I don't remember, because I could have just ordered orange. I love using orange in my diffuser with many other kinds of essential oils. It gives you a positive feeling. Honestly, it does. Citrus is positive. It smells great. And then I think the last thing I got, oops. Cool Azul pain cream. I can say pain for this. So if you have any aches or pains, you can rub it on. It's a little bit like icy hot, but without the negative chemicals and toxins. So it's just using essential oils. So it's good for aches, arthritis, strains, bruises, and it's plant-based. This one's going to my mom. So if my mom's watching, you'll see I'm going to bring it to you this weekend to help with your aches and pains. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.